In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash in Notion at once. First, go to your Notion page and make sure you're inside the workspace where you want to remove deleted items. This is important because trash is tied to the workspace you're currently viewing. If you use Notion for multiple projects or teams, take a quick second to confirm you're in the right place before deleting anything permanently. Before you continue, there's one important thing to understand. Notion does not currently have a built-in empty all button for the trash menu. So even though the goal is to clear out everything in trash, the process has to be done item by item. Knowing this upfront helps set the right expectation and avoids wasting time searching for a bulk delete option that isn't available. Once you're on the correct Notion page, look to the left-hand column and click on Trash. This opens the list of pages and items that have already been deleted but not yet permanently removed. Think of this as a holding area. Items in trash can still be reviewed here before being erased for good. Now go through the trash list and find the items you want to permanently delete. Next to each item, you'll see a bin icon. Click the bin icon for the item you'd like to remove forever. If your aim is to clear all trash, you'll need to repeat this for every item shown in the list. It can take a little time if you have a lot of deleted pages, so it helps to work steadily and double-check each item as you go. After clicking the bin icon, a confirmation option will appear. Click Permanently Delete to confirm. This final step removes the item completely from Notion, meaning it will no longer be recoverable through the trash menu. Because of that, it's a good idea to be certain you no longer need the page before confirming deletion. Continue repeating the same process for each remaining item in your trash until the list is empty. While it's not a one-click solution, this is currently the available way to fully clear trash in Notion. And that's it. You now know how to delete all trash in Notion by manually permanently deleting each item from the trash menu. If you want to keep your workspace clean, it's a good habit to check the trash occasionally and remove anything you know you won't need again.